Guess the NFL sound and you win tickets to the season opener.
That's got to be a whistle, dude.
Correct. All right, what's this one?
I don't know what it's called, but it's when they say hut. Right?
Correct. This one.
Can you play it again? Is it like a tackle?
Correct. This is a tough one.
What the heck is this? Like the grass?
Correct.
It sounds like the gloves or something.
Correct. This one.
It's the post. It's the ball hitting the post.
Correct. You got 2 more.
Oh, that's them kicking the ball. That's easy. That's
Correct. All right, last sound. And before he guesses, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe if you're an NFL fan.
The people screaming like the fans, right? It's the
Correct.